Alright, kakati guys njagala tutunulire kyebayita find and replace n'omugaso gwakyo mu Microsoft Word oba mu word processing. Find and replace is very important. Yemu ku techniques ezigenda okuyamba okubeera nga omanaginga documents zo oba nga ozieditinga oba nga ozimodifyinga. It is very important because if you look at this document eno tutunulira erina over 30 pages. It's about the Sewane review. It has over 30 pages. It will come in a document in over 1,000 pages. Ozozi typing, it could be a research, it could be a novel, typing, and then you just make one slight mistake. Or let's say, ogenza kufuna mudiba kusaba interview, and they're asking you about something simple. For example, they ask you, okay, you know Microsoft Word, and yes. Please tell us how many times is the name Swane mentioned in this document. Assume document erimu Swane akubuuza Swane ekigambo Swane erinnya Swane limentioningiddwa emirundi emeka mu eno document. Manual ojagenda onoonya one by one, line ku line, 2, 3, 4, which is impossible. Waba kuwadde 2 minutes, waba kuwadde 30 minutes. Tosobola kucheckinga pages 30 ng'onoonya ekintu kyekimu. Either ojamuwa answer nga nfu oba ojja kuba tunaba kumalayo. So using that technique of find and replace egenda kutuyamba okusolvinga number 1 in case that happens. Number 2, oyagala reviewinga document, oyagala kufindinga something. For example, ekigambo Sewane ekimentioningidde emirundi emeka, you'll be able to tell. Even you'll be able to tell which page ekigambo ekyo kiri mentioned. Number 2, ejja kuyamba okubeera nga replacinga oba nga modifyinga. For example, omuntu akugambye ekigambo Sewane otekewo erinnya lyo oba otekewo erinnya eddala oba otekewo ekigambo ekirala. So in just no minute ojja kuba ekuyamba obeera nga okola ekyo. How do you go over that? Let us begin with find. In case they ask us how many times is the name or is the word Sewane mentioned in this entire document, we simply go to the home tab on the ribbon, click on home tab. On the far right side, you will find an option called find. Click on find. Now here is where you're going to mention which word are you looking for. Let us say Batugambe, they want to know the word Sewane. Make sure you write it in the correct spelling. Wokola spelling info, you will not get answer and proof. So make sure you write the correct spelling. As you can see, my spelling is wrong. That's why it will show you no matches. So like I said, make sure you are writing a correct spelling. Sewa Sewane. If that is the case, the word Sewane, I think there's a wrong spelling. It should be a correct spelling. So we see it begins with S-A. It should be say. S-E, not S-A. That's why it will not give you the answer. So since we put S-E, it will give us the correct words. Be sure for spellings, don't make wrong spellings, poor results. And now we can see the result is 5 out of 45. So it means the word Sewane is mentioned 145 times. In our document, it is also highlighted. Mentioned. We said we can talk about which pages are this word mentioned or this text mentioned. You can just click on pages. It will tell you all the pages that has the word Sewane. If it's a heading, you will even check which headings that has the word Sewane. It will show you the heading. But that is called find. Let us learn how to replace. Let us say we want to replace the word Sewane with your name. Simply go to the ribbon, click on home tab, far right side, find, leave it, go to replace. If I click on replace, the dialog box will come. A box can hold the first, it will tell you find the word. Then right here, replacing. Since you want to replace the word Sewane, we'll put the word Sewane and then replace with what? So when we are replacing, let us say what to replacing with your name. Let us say Hunter. And then we can say replace all, or we can say replace. Replace means You are replacing one by one, one by one, one by one. For example, if I click replace, I replace the first one. The second one will ask, if I want to replace it, I will replace it. The third one, if I don't want to replace it, I will say find next. If I want to replace this one, I will say replace. If I want to replace all, this will come when you are sure all of the things you want to replace them. I will say replace all. And it will tell you all done. We made 144 replacements. Means I've replaced everywhere with the word handle. Moving forward. Let's talk about something different here. Let's talk about indents and tabs. Indents and tabs. You'll keep in mind documents zonna ezisinga zibaako kibayita ruler. All documents wano waggulu kuli bono wansi kubeerako kibayita ruler. So ruler ekola etya? In case ogenze ku document nga tolabako ruler wano, simply go to the ribbon, click on view tab and make sure ruler is checked. If it is unchecked, that means ojja kuba olaba ruler. If it is checked, it means you will see the ruler. What is the use of the ruler? Ruler yetuyamba okumanya nti document erina tutandikira ku eno line n'ekoma ku eno line. You can see it on this paper, tula wano waggulu erekayo space, so that I've just zoom inzeemuko so that you can see. Waggulu wano waliwo space esigalawo ne mu sides muno mulimu space. Let me reduce the size. So what kireetera document okuba nga eno waliwo space n'eno nga temalaayo ddala ku lupapula kibayita ruler ono. Ruler ebaako kibayita tabs. So ojja kulaba nti ku ruler kuno kuliko bu buttons busatu. Akasooka wano wentadde kayitibwa left indent, akoma kati kayitibwa hanging indent, ne kano akatunudde waggulu wansi kayitibwa first line indent. Neno ku side nebeera n'akayitibwa right indent. Mu indent buno bukola butya? If I select the entire document, Control A, and then I move gye bayita left indent, it means ngenda kuba ngamba bino ebintu njagala mbye extending bitandike ddala olupapula lutandikira. You can see the entire document so lugamba njagala olupapula luno lutandikire ddala ku ndweme kulekawo ka space konna. Nogamba neeno njagala lumalireyo ddala neme kulekayo space ku lupapula. Just click on the right indent or moving ogazi. We can see ebigambo byaffe ng'olupapula tetulese wadde ka space. Tukozesa kye bayita left indent and right indent. Era okufunza so ogamba njagala tulekeyo ka space, click and hold ku right indent kano ofunze paka ng'oyagala lukome. What about bayita hanging indent? Hanging indent egenda kumuvinga body zokka, tegenda kumuvinga first line. Ku buli paragraph first line tegenda kuba moved. Let us move the hanging indent and see. Click and hold otambuze. Like we can see first line zonna ezirekawo netambuza ebirala byonna munda. That is hanging indent, tekwata ku first line. And then netuba nekibayita first line indent, kino ekisigadde wano waggulu kamuvinga first line zokka. Tulaba tuba tumuvinga first line. And this is how we usually create paragraphs. Nolaba nga paragraph ebigambo line esooka ku buli paragraph etandikira mu maaso okusinga ku birala. Tubeera tumuvinze first line indent. Tugambye hanging indent emuvinga body, tekwata ku first line, ebiri ku body byokka byemuvinga as we can see. Ne tugamba left indent etuyamba okumanya nti olupapula lutandikire wano oba lutandikire eno. So tukole professional nga tukozesa ruler. Gwe mugaso gwa ruler ogwo. We can pull it back, let's say up to here. That's all about index. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next class.